Hey everyone! In this quick ClickUp tips and tricks guide, I'm going to show you how to switch back and forth between tasks really effectively in the 2025 layout. This is one of those things that looks simple, but once you learn a couple shortcuts, it saves a ton of time. So let's start right from the login page. So go ahead and sign in with your email and password. Once you hit login, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard. To start, open any task you're working on. This becomes your main task. Just click it from your list or board view. All right, here's the trick most people miss. At the top right of the task window, you'll see a little minimize icon. Click that, and the task drops into the task tray. This lets you keep a task open without closing it, so you can jump to another one instantly. Now open another task, work in it like normal, and when you need to hop back, just click the task sitting in your tray. So this is the magic. Every task you minimize pops into that tray. Click any of them to bring it back up. It feels a lot like browser tabs inside ClickUp. And yeah, you can reorder tasks in the tray just by dragging them. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you're gonna love this. Press the letter T to open the task tray, or hit Control K or Command K to search for any task and jump to it. And another cool part is you can move around your workspace, switch views, open lists, dashboards, and the tasks in your tray stay there, so you don't lose your flow. When you're done, you can close tasks one by one or use the three-dot menu in the tray to clear everything at once. And that's it. That's how to switch back and forth between tasks in ClickUp like a pro in 2025. Once you get used to the task tray, it's kind of hard to go back. Thanks for watching.